Hey y'all, so today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm actually in a national park, Joshua Tree National Park, and we're gonna go explore a little bit. So we're gonna stop like at the most important points and check it out, film a little bit, and show you guys how it is. So adventure time awaits. I don't know why, but this section right here kind of reminds me of the Flintstones. So somebody just passed by me here and he said if you go off the trail a little bit, there's nobody for a couple of hours. He said he was kinda wandering around for a couple of hours, so not doing that, but I'm just gonna check out if there's an exhibit. It says there's an exhibit here, so there should be an exhibit, but there may not be no exhibit. So this concludes the first stop exhibit in Joshua Tree. So let's keep on going. Okay, so next stop is Quail Springs. There are some picnic tables here, a few toilets. I think I'm actually gonna stop to get some lunch because I haven't been eating breakfast lately, so I haven't had any breakfast or lunch. And I'm gonna check it out a little bit and then keep on going. So supposedly, even though it's called Joshua Tree National Park, so that's what that is. That's the Joshua Tree, but apparently it's a cactus. It's some sort of cactus. Nevertheless, it looks pretty cool. All right, guys, so I'm actually gonna move on because there are just way too many people here, and I know there's a bigger spot where I can go grab some lunch. And yeah, let's go then. So I'm gonna go right. I'm gonna go towards Hemingway. It's also worth noting that there's a lot of rock climbers around here. It looks pretty scary. It wouldn't be my thing, but it's pretty cool to see. You know, I always wondered when I'm out in the wild like this, what if an eagle comes or like is looking for my dead cat? Well, don't worry, I don't have a dead cat with me, but that's what that fluffy thing on top of the mic is called. So I'm looking up just to make sure like I don't see an eagle grabbing it out of nowhere. That would surprise the heck out of me. This is the next stop. It's called the Hidden Valley. I know it sounds mysterious. It's a hiking trail, and I've actually already been on this trail before. I'm not gonna go on it because it takes about an hour, and there's also a lot of people. And with camera equipment and all that stuff is a little bit tough. So maybe next time if I get a smaller camera. Sorry about the wind, it got a little bit windy, so I went on a smaller, less populated trail. I'm just gonna show you around this. I'm definitely getting those 10,000 steps today, so that shouldn't be a problem, but check it out. And I'm gonna be walking over there a little bit more and show you guys a little bit more. So this is the Hidden Valley. It's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna end this stop here because it's getting a little bit windy. I am filming a lot. It's just hard to talk on the camera, even with that cat that I mentioned earlier. That's what that's on the microphone for. Hopefully no eagle comes and gets it. So I'm hoping it's not too windy. Therefore, that's why I'm not really talking too much, because you probably won't be able to hear me. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place here, man. It's amazing how it looks. You know, you can't believe it actually exists, but it's cool. Okay, this is the famous Skull Rock. That's all I'm gonna say. There's a lot of people behind me trying to take photos with this, but it's pretty cool. And that's why I also have a mask on. Okay, so that was it, everybody. As you can see, there's a lot of people out there. I think this is gonna be my last stop. I'm just gonna drive down to the dispersed camping. I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so I just had to make one more stop before I actually go to the campground, but this is the Cholla Cactus Garden. I mean, it's pretty amazing. I never seen this kind of cactus before. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but just incredible. Look at it. And there's not that many people here, so hey, why not? You know, it's still only like 3 o'clock or 3-ish, 3:30 maybe. So I have plenty of time to drive down to the campsite before it gets dark and possibly make a fire or something and have a beer. Okay then. Alright everyone, I just made it to my camp spot. There's a fire pit there, there's the van, there's where the sunset's gonna be. I may make a fire tonight, and only tonight, because the next few days it's gonna be a little bit windy for a fire. It's windy today, but it's still pretty doable. When I was passing down the road here, they had the fire risk and it's kind of low, so just gonna go with that. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. This is it for this video. I did make a fire, which we're getting smoked by right now. The van's ready to go for camping. We're gonna have a sunset, and I'm just gonna wait for that. I might take photographs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film it. I'm just gonna crack open a beer and relax. It's been a long day. I've just been filming a lot, and now it's time to relax and enjoy the view. And if you did enjoy this video, please show me by giving me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.